Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to start a Shopify newsletter and build an email list to boost your store's marketing. Watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Shopify email. Go to your Shopify admin, click on Apps, then search for Shopify email in the Shopify App Store. Install and activate it. Step 2. Create a sign-up form. Go to Online Store Themes, then customize your theme. Add an email sign-up form to your homepage, footer, or a pop-up to collect emails. Step 3. Offer incentives to subscribers. Encourage visitors to sign up by offering discounts, freebies, or exclusive updates. Clearly highlight the benefits on your store. Step 4. Send your first newsletter. Go to Marketing Campaigns, click Create Campaign, and select Shopify Email. Choose a template, customize your content, and send it to your subscribers. Step 5. Automate your emails. Set up automation in Marketing Automations to send welcome emails, promotions, and abandoned cart reminders automatically. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to start a Shopify newsletter and build an email list. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.